Hello everyone, my name is YAJNESH, first year ECE, startup company name Mangalore Gramina Products, product present name is Mattress and product proposed name is Bed Buddy. So empathizing stage, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. Cushioning will adjust automatically to the user's weight. We can monitor user's health condition like blood pressure, oxygen level and etc. So by defining the product based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name mattress, futuristic product name is bed buddy. So ideal stage, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. So this mattress comes with a health monitoring system and there is a temperature control device which will automatically adjust to the environment. So there are some soft cushionings for the comfort of the users and smart mobile connectivity through app. So this is the prototype. So in prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint and mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. So I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.